Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to switch rows and columns in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. We have such a range of data. We copy it, then select any cell and paste the data. Next, don't rush to click something, but pay attention to the lower right corner of the table that we pasted. The paste options appeared here. This button appears immediately after pasting. If you don't have the paste options, then you need to check whether the setting is enabled in your Excel. Click File, Options, Advanced, scroll down to the Cut, Copy and Paste section and mark the Show Paste Options button when content is pasted checkbox and click OK. Fine, let's continue. Click on this button and select the Transpose option. And as you can see, the rows turned over and became columns. We can do the same by right-clicking and select Paste Special, and in the window that opens, select Transpose. These ways are convenient but don't associate the original range with the flip to 1, and there may not be paste options in older versions of Excel. And what's in all versions? So this is the transpose function. We enter the equal sign, enter transpose function, and use the original range as an argument. We have lost formatting. We can easily fix this, but now we have the original table and the current one linked to each other. That is, if the main range changes, then the secondary range will change after it. And if required, it can be applied even between two worksheets of the same document or two different documents. Here is such a powerful Microsoft Excel tool. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.